Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling evidence and opening the dispute immediately. Find the exact video and the claimed segment, then download the original project file and raw audio so you have untouched sources. Next, gather licenses, receipts, or written permissions that prove your right to use the material. Once done, open TikTok, go to the copyright notice in your content dashboard, and choose the dispute option. Make sure to attach the files and a concise explanation of ownership or licensed use. Now you draft and submit a focused dispute. Explain precisely why the claim is incorrect. You own the work, you licensed it, or you used fair use, and include dates, license ID, or contract terms. Attach the original unedited media, signed license PDF, and any email permission. Use calm, factual language and avoid inflammatory statements because clarity speeds review. Once submitted, monitor the dashboard and email for confirmation and expected timelines. Make sure you keep copies of everything for follow-up. Finish by tracking the claim and taking the right next steps. If your dispute is accepted, confirm the removal of the strike. If denied, request specific reasoning and re-examine your evidence within the platform's timeframe. If needed, get legal advice before filing a counter notice because a mistaken counter notice can have consequences. As a troubleshooting tip, if the claimant misidentified the material, contact them directly with evidence and CC TikTok. That often clears up errors faster than prolonged appeals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.